Guro.
Guro.
Guro. Like her teacher?
Teacher, guro in Tagalog. Next.
Oh. Sino her teacher name?
Sige na. Okay, next ha.
Guro. O pang mag
Diretso na yun.
kiti
Cite.
say
Mag-recite.
mag-recite ng magsimula siyang
Paspasin na.
magsalita
Wanan.
tawanan.
Nagtawanan is just laughing daw. Oh my gosh.
Why is he laughing?
Next.
Ang yung mga kaklase ano ang iyong gagawin?
What you will do? May kaklase kang hindi makapagsalita ng tuwid. What's that?
Mommy, why is he exit?
Wrong man ka. Pabati sa may kaklase kang hindi makapagsalita ng tuwid. Like Hera ba? It's not, it's not talk like straight. Ano ba?
Let's talk straight.
So, isang araw, tinawag siya ng inyong guro upang mag-recite. So, one day, your teacher called her and mag-recite siya. So, nang magsimula, it's just starting, magsimula siyang magsalita, she talked in front of your classmate, nagtawanan, your classmate were laughing, nagtawanan ang iyong mga kaklase. Your classmate was laughing in front of, like for example, your classmate, ano ang iyong gagawin? What you will do? So, number A, the letter A.
Tatawawin ako.
What's that?
I don't know.
You just laugh also? Like your classmate?
No.
Okay, so it's
Because
wrong.
You need to talk.
Okay.
You cannot laugh because teacher will put you like 0.
Zero na. B.
Lalabas ako sa silid-aralan.
Lalabas ako sa silid-aralan. What's that?
I don't know.
You go out daw.
No!
Inside your room. It's just correct.
No, because
You
they're
not go outside.
strangers.
Oh, you not go outside. See?
That's why they not let us go outside.
See? Faster.
Where? See? Oh, here. Sasabihan ko siya na huwag na munang pumasok.
What's that? Sasabihan ko siya na huwag na munang pumasok. Is that correct? You just tell daw, sasabihan ko siya na huwag. You just tell na, you can't go again in a room.
No, you need to go. You need to go in the room so you can have an award.
Next, D.
Pagsasabihan.
Bihan.
Okay. Pagsasabihan. So say happy dihan.
Sige na, dali. Sasabihan ko,
Was it?
you just tell.
Okay. ko ang aking mga kaklase na huwag siyang
Huwag siyang
pagtawanan.
why man di man answer diri?
I don't know.
Because
It's so really. I just read it, but I was particular to read, but I just think in my mind it looks so very different because the B is so big, the D is so really big, taller like the C.
so that's why the answer is D because
Because it's so tall.
ano, you just tell daw sa imong classmate na you don't laugh, ana daw. So it's correct because you just tell daw o pagsabihan. You just tell to your classmate, huwag. Don't laugh with your new class, your other classmate. You just don't laugh. So that the answer is letter D.
Because it's so bigger like the C.
Next.
Where is Y?
Say YX man na, GX man teacher nimo.
Where? It looks Y.
Ang nasabi mo na